gonna try one of these nuggets out. Man, that is so good. Man, ooh, buddy, come on. Look how quick and easy it is. Bam, all right? Come on now, quick question. What is your favorite? Is it these right here, Just Bare Spicy Chicken Nuggets? Or is it these right here, Real Good Nuggets? Let me know in the comments, which one do you prefer? Which one do you get down with? If you had a choice and you had both of them, which one would you have? Now let's go over some of the nutrition facts. I'm gonna show you a high protein, low carb way to have them, and a high protein, it don't matter about the carbs, way to have them. Come on now. Either one, they're both good in my opinion. They both have different macros, so let's go over that. But let me know in the comments, what is your favorite nugget? Come on now. Now first up, Just Bare. These things are amazing, especially the spicy ones. If you don't like spicy, they have regular, but man, the spicy ones are so good. Both of these cook quick in the air fryer, under 10 minutes. Man, they just taste so good, okay? Air fry them, you can also put them in the oven, whatever you wanna do. But man, Just Bare is great. So let's look at the nutrition on this one. Now, 3 ounces of Just Bare is gonna be 160 calories, 7 grams of fat, 10 grams of carbs, and 16 grams of protein. Okay, so that's in 3 ounces, all right? So if you need some more protein, just double up. It don't matter, because 3 ounces is not that much. Make sure you weigh it out, okay? Just Bare is great. I have them all the time, especially if you like spicy stuff. Now these can be a little spicy, so if you need to, get the regular ones. Those are great as well. Now let's talk about Real Good. Real Good is real good. In my opinion, I like Real Good. They taste great. Now, these are not spicy ones, so what I have to do, and I'm gonna show you in a minute, is how to make your own spicy sauce, okay? So these aren't spicy, but make your own spicy sauce. Now, one comment I have received about these is that they taste very bland. Now, that's why you need to keep sauces in stock. That's why you need to keep these ingredients I tell you to keep in stock, because you can just make your own sauce. It's all good. Make it as a dipping sauce or mix it around. It don't matter. Let's go ahead and look at the nutrition on this one, and then we're gonna get down, we're gonna make it real quick, all right? So Real Good, we're looking at 4 ounces is gonna be 130 calories, 2 grams of fat, 3 grams of carb, and 23 grams of protein. And this right here, this is higher protein, lower carb, lower fat, lower calories. So if you're looking for a lower option, go with Real Good. Now Real Good tastes great. You need to try both of them, okay? You can find these at most of your grocery stores, but go give them a shot. These go in the air fryer as well, around 8 minutes or so, and they're done. It is so quick, okay? So what I did is I made 1 serving of this, which is 4 ounces. Let me show you what that is. Why do you have to measure it? That's 4 ounces right here. You see that? Can y'all see that? Look at that. That's 4, it's basically 3 nuggets, all right? This is 1 serving, okay? It's 3 nuggets. That's why you have to measure it out. If you don't measure it out, fill this whole bowl up and only track 1 serving. Come on now. Now, if you do need more protein, put 6 nuggets in there and you'll have over 40 grams of protein that quick, all right? But let me show you what I'm gonna go ahead and mix this with, okay? Now, this is one of the options I like to go with. I keep this in stock. I talk about it all the time. Protein pasta. Now, you don't have to go with protein pasta. I'm gonna show you another way you can do it without the protein pasta. Protein pasta is just the way I roll. Now, when I make my protein pasta, I like to make more of a macaroni and cheese flavor because, man, I love macaroni and cheese, all right? So I use this right here, Big Daddy Mac Mix. Now, you can get this on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description to this, but get you some of this right here. Come on now, it tastes great, okay? If you mix this with that protein pasta, I'm trying to tell you, it is great. You have to try it, okay? Let me know if you've tried this before, okay? Big Daddy Mac Mix, go look it up. All you need is a little bit. I'm looking at this container, okay? There's a bunch in there. This will last you a while, all right? So you just need a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix a little bit of this with that pasta. But if you don't have this or don't wanna get down with that, look around your grocery store section, and sometimes they have protein macaroni and cheese already, all right? Now this is from Kroger right here. Both of these have 14 grams of protein in them, all right? So if you want to, if you don't feel like making your own, go ahead and get this right here if you want to, but you can look around for that. But if you don't wanna get down with that either, let me show you some low carb options. Okay, the first low carb option I'm gonna talk about is this right here, mashed cauliflower. This stuff is amazing. Go find this and put some in your freezer. I'm telling you, it tastes great. You can have it with chicken, you can have it with beef. This stuff is amazing, okay? Mashed cauliflower is a great alternative, a low carb to the pasta. Or you can roll with the rice veggies. These are great as well. This is the cauliflower, rice veggies, very low carb, stays in your freezer. Heat them up, season them up how you want. Man, you just can't go wrong with rice cauliflower. Or traditional cauliflower. Keep these in the freezer as well. You can just cut these up, season them up how you want to, add them with the chicken, add that cheese on there. Come on now, you cannot beat it, okay? So see, even if you're low carb, use those options right there. Cauliflower comes in clutch, especially if you're low carb, right? Now let's look at the sauces real quick. Now the other day when I had the Real Good Nuggets, these sauces came in clutch. And man, I'm telling you, you gotta keep them in stock. Of course, This is the one that you really need to keep in stock right here. Frank's Red Hot Wing Sauce. That's why I get the big one. Keep that in stock for sure. Melinda's, I've talked about this. That's a little Thai sweet chili sauce. You just add a little bit of that to the Frank's. Come on now. And you want to fire it up a little hotter. Go ahead and make it, put some of this ghost pepper in there. Man, just mix it all together in here just a little bit. It doesn't take much. You can either put the sauce on there, or you can dip it. I use it as a dipping sauce. I mean, it doesn't have to be hard. If you want to, you can take this and use some Greek yogurt, mix that all together, and you have a high protein dipping sauce that quick, okay? It's not that hard. I'm trying to show you easy ways to do it, all right? Okay, so, but for this one, I'm gonna go ahead and use the high protein pasta. This is 1 serving of cooked protein pasta. Make sure you measure it out. Don't just go dump a bunch of pasta on there. That can throw your calories off big time, all right? So make sure you measure it out. We'll go ahead and just put that in the bowl. Now we're gonna use the Big Daddy Mac mix. Come on, go get you some of this, all right? This stuff is great. Grab me a tablespoon. And then I like to use Fairlife fat-free milk. You can use whatever milk you want to, don't matter. Go ahead and knock out 1 tablespoon of that. Kind of mix it together. We're gonna see what it tastes like. There it is. Now you just mix it until you get that macaroni and cheese texture. Yeah, buddy. There it is, look at that, come on. Look how quick and easy it is. Bam, all right, come on now. And then once again, to make the sauce, this is also optional, but I'm trying to tell you, it just makes it taste so much better. I like to mix sauces a lot. I mix all kinds of different sauces together, but I'm just gonna use a little bit of Frank's, which I have right here. I'm gonna hit it with the sweet chili sauce. I'm gonna hit it with that real quick, just a little bit. You don't need much. I'm gonna hit it with that ghost pepper. Now what you're gonna do, you can just mix all this in together. You can also cut these nuggets up so that you get a piece of nugget in every bite. You can do that as well. Take that same spoon, mix up your sauce. Come on now. Go ahead, pour that sauce on there. Yeah, buddy, come on now. There it is. Ooh, smells good too. Give it a little more mixing. Taste it. Ooh, buddy, that's good. And there it is, almost 40 grams of protein in this bowl right here. Now, once again, I'm using the protein pasta. You don't have to use some of that cauliflower rice, mashed cauliflower. That stuff's good. Try that one out too. You don't have to use the pasta if you don't want to. You can also use miracle noodles. You can make the chicken nuggets, just put them in lettuce wraps if you want to. You can also do that. There's so many different ways you can do it. Pick a chicken, whichever one you want to go with, the Just Bare or the RealGood. Let me know in the comments, which one do you like better? Which one do you have more? Now, if you haven't tried the Just Bare Spicy, come on now, give it a shot. Them jokers, they're good. They have a little heat, but they're good, okay? If this is not enough protein for you, just side it with a little cottage cheese. Come on now. I mean, you can add 15 to almost 20 grams of protein to this meal just like that. Half a cup, or have one of these little containers right here. Any brand's gonna get you between 15 and 20 grams of protein, somewhere around there, okay? But this is an easy way to get some protein. If you don't want cottage cheese, grab your Greek yogurt, one that has like around 20 grams of protein. That adds 20 grams of protein to this meal. This is such a quick and easy lunch or dinner idea that's made in minutes, man. Fry up those chicken nuggets, add in whatever you want, some protein pasta, add in whatever sauce you want to roll with. I like to go with Frank's Red Hot because Frank's Red Hot is my jam, all right? Let me know what your favorite chicken is to air fry. That makes it so simple. You can keep those in the freezer so that if you need a meal that you just need it quick, and you're like, I don't know what I'm gonna have, but instead of pulling over at the fast food place and getting me something that's not gonna help me meet my goals, I know I can go home, I know I have sauces, I know I have my nuggets, and I can get down like that, all right? And you can track everything and you can stay on track, okay? So that's what I'm trying to help you do. I'm trying to give you options that are quick and easy, that taste great, that'll help you stay on track. Let me know what you think about this video. I'm really trying to provide some value to you. Let me know if it does. And I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. I'm gonna talk to you next time. Let's go.